Ashok, why don't you introduce yourself, bit about yourself, or how you have come to be?
Sure. I'm Ashok Mrutyunjaya. Currently, I'm the president of Madhepur Assembly. 1 year back, I was not a politician. I was just like ordinary citizen of Belandur. About me, a qualification, I've done my graduate in commerce and I've done my diploma in business management, advanced diploma in business management, and I've also taken a diploma in IFRS course from UK University, ACCA.
Right.
Right. So my qualification is bigger than my name. I keep boasting myself about it.
Sure.
Married for almost 9 years. Have a kid of 4.5 years. My father was a postman. He was working with central government. Mother was a homemaker. We lived in a poor family. Right. Lower income class is what I can say. Because my dad used to earn an income of 4,000 when I know 20.
Right.
Lower income class, you depend on ration cards. You have to stand in a queue to get your stuff. The system was so pathetic then that you want to have a kerosene. I still remember the days, we used to burn a stove and my mom used to cook.
And you have to get the kerosene.
Right? You cannot go in the morning. They distribute at 6 o'clock in the morning, but you have to carry a dabba and keep it reserved for yourself. Stand there, wait there till your queue comes. Right? Because if you go late, they will not give you kerosene.
So morning will be like early morning.
Early morning, 3 a.m. I used to get up.
3 a.m. Okay.
I used to go, stand in front of the kerosene shop, the ration shop, wait till 6 a.m. in the morning, get the kerosene and come back. Right? The fear was, if you don't go there, you will not get the government subsidized kerosene.
Right.
The shop guy will say, kerosene is over, we can't give you.
Yeah.
Right? But ideally speaking, it's my right as a ration card holder. It's my right to get the kerosene, and he's supposed to give me whatever the time I go in.
Yeah.
Still, I was made to go at 3 a.m. because we don't know what was the rules. Right. Plus our water. Right. There was no borewell given in my time. Right. We used to depend on corporation water. We used to call that as a corporation water, which is nothing but BWSSB Kaveri water. It used to get released alternate days. Right. And pathetic. We have to again wake up at 2 a.m. in the night to fill water. Right? Because the water comes only for 2 hours in the night. They can't leave it in the morning. I don't know why. Right? We live the day. I used to feel that it's a fate. Being poor in this country is bad luck.
It's our own fate.
And you have to live with it. I just thought of that is how it is. Later I studied, I graduated, I joined multiple companies. I worked with Capgemini, IBM, HP. Now I'm working in Amazon as a finance manager.
Right.
So the second question what you asked me is why politics?
Yeah.
The more and more I study, the more and more I realize that the kerosene which made me stand in queue midnight 3 a.m. Was not needed. It was my right, even though I go at 8 a.m. in the morning, it was the right of the ration guy to give me the kerosene.
Right.
We were not aware of it, we was made to stand. Right. And we have seen days, where I could not go, the kerosene was not given to us. Right. It was an atrocity on poor. Right. So I felt, is this really something a country should be wherein there is no respect for poor. If you're poor, you will be made to do anything in the country. Go get up at midnight, go stand in queue. I didn't feel it right. Second thing,
it's injustice as well.
Absolutely. Because no one wants to get up at night and stand in a cold weather in front of a ration shop.
Absolutely, yeah.
The second thing, I was an activist. Right? I don't know why I call myself an activist. For me, if something is wrong around me, I would prefer to raise my voice. Right? I was part of Kasarnali Development Forum team. I was when they arranged the human chain across Bedandur. I was coordinating for my entire road, Bovenalli road, plus KPCL layout. I was part of Mahadev Paradimans elected representative resignation when Whitefield Racing conducted a big protest across Mahadev. I was part of it.
Yeah,
Right?
Yeah, we remember that there was a big protest against many improperties.
So we give a lot of requisition. We as a team give a lot of requisition that we want that, we want this. But at the end of the day, what did we get? Absolutely nothing.
Right.
That made me realize you being an activist is good. You're trying to really do great things in society by compromising, but it is not really moving the needle.
Yeah.
You may get a
It's
small,
not.
small things done, but is a needle moving changes happening? The answer is no.
Yeah.
Because the system is so corrupt, right? They would never, being outside the system, it is not at all possible to go and ask. I literally felt like I have to beg for my rent.
That is true. That's happening.
I'm a 30% taxpayer, right? If I have to beg for my basic right of basic roads, my sewage pickup, my garbage, then I felt it is not the right place to be in.
Yeah.
I had two options. I had job. I had lived in foreign countries. I lived in Indonesia. I lived in London. I lived in Switzerland, Germany. Right. I had an option to go back to all those countries.
That was the first option.
First option. Second thing, I thought, for how many days I'll stay there?
Yeah.
15 years. I'll make money. Then I have to come back to my home.
You always come back to the home.
Right. So then when I come back, my system is like this, and I'll have to send my kid down.
Yeah.
Right. So what am I trying to do? I felt
And this is actually happening.
exactly right. So people don't want to live in India. They're sending their kids
They don't want to live,
abroad,
yeah.
right? So why should we do that? I felt, see, if I be knowing all this thing, if I don't get in, clean up the system, if I also run away from it, who will clean it? Can I expect the poor person who struggles for day in day out 100 rupees money to clean up? No, we cannot. As an educated, I felt the second choice what I had is you have to get inside the system, clean it. Only then you will be able to bring about change.
Right.
That's the reason I came into politics.